Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 10 turn on Windows Update store error code is 0x80070422. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, open a search box and type a services. Open a services, select the Windows Update, open it, and make sure that it's selected automatic, and click on start button and apply and OK. The second method is that go to your settings of the Windows, go to your update and security. After doing this tab, click on a troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter, click on Windows Update and click on run the troubleshooter. After doing this tab, close it and restart your computer. I'm sure that your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that go to your search box and type a cmd. Open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After doing this tab, type a command is sfc space / scan now and press enter. Type a command is sfc space / scan now and press enter. After doing this tab, type a command is dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health and press enter. After doing this tab, after a few seconds that scanning will be started, and it's required for few hours to minutes to complete the process. Okay guys, after completing that, close the registry at the cmd command. After doing this that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that go to your any search engine and type a Windows 10 download. After that, click on a Windows 10 disk image. Scroll down and click on a download tool now. Click on save button, and after that open it. Yes to continue. Click on accept button. After that, select update this PC now and click on a next button. When you click on a next button, the proceeding will be started, and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. After completing that, your computer automatically restart and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.